Students, I found in the past that you all prefer that I show you how to make a bed. So I'm going to start with the top. You tuck in the top, and we're going to make a corner, an envelope corner. We fold an arrow. You tuck again. Let it drop, and tuck. We tuck all the way down on the bottom sheet. Remember, we're using all flat sheets for this demonstration. No fitted sheets are used. Remember, up, under, envelope, when I was a student, we had to be able to bounce a quarter off this bed. That is your bottom sheet. The top sheet is similar. We tuck the bottom, the foot of the bed, is where we're going to tuck the, is how we're going to do this one. Hem side down, okay? Make sure your sheet's even on both sides. We always had a saying that the door side was always the best side. This sheet's bigger. And this is how you make an unoccupied bed.